Hello, welcome to my channel for another makeup tutorial. First, I'm using a primer to prime my face. Next is foundation. Blend, blend, blend. Next is concealer to conceal and highlight. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. Next is pressed powder to set my face. Next, I'm using this bronzer, dark bronzer to contour my cheek and my forehead. Then I'm adding blush to add a little bit of color to my cheek. Then I'm using the same bronzer to contour my nose. The same bronzer I use for my cheek, I'm using it to contour my nose. Contour the nose. Next is loose powder. I'm using a loose powder to do a little bit of baking. For the face and to clean up that nose contour to define it more. Clean the nose contour to define it more. Then next is eyes. First, I'm using this brown, light brown shade for my crease. Light brown shade for the crease. Next, I'm using this dark brown shade for my outer crease. Dark brown shade, outer crease. Next, I'm blending all the edges. Next, I'm using this NYX light pink eyeshadow pigment for my eyelid. It's an eyeshadow pigment, a very light pink, almost like silver, well, not silver, light pink for my eyelid. Next, I'm blending the edges so there won't be any sharp line. Next, I'm lining my lips. Sorry. Next, I'm lining my eyes with a black gel eyeliner. Oh dear Lord Jesus. I'm using the same eyeliner for my waterline, the same black gel eyeliner, and I'm using that brown shade I use for my crease to blend my lower lash line. Next, I'm cleaning my eyelash, the mascara to remove all the eyeshadow fallout from my eyes. I wear my false lashes, then I'm cleaning my face, dusting off all the powder and all the eyeshadow fallout. Next, I'm adding a little blush. Then I set my face and I'm now adding highlights and now to light up the face. Next is lips. I'm using these two lip lock from Adventure Makeup, one dark one and one dark one and one, what should I say, nude color. Then I'm adding lip gloss to my lips. That is the finished look, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.